Article 12. Circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. The following are exempt from criminal liability. Number 1. An imbecile or insane person, unless the latter acted during lucid interval. When the imbecile or insane person has committed an act which the law defines as delito or felony, the court shall order his confinement in one of the hospitals or asylums established for the person thus inflicted, which he shall not permitted to leave without first obtaining the permission to do the same. Number 2, a person under 9 years of age. Number 3, a person over 9 years of age or under 15, unless he has acted with discernment, in which such minor shall proceeded against in accordance with the provisions of Article 80 of this code. When such minor is indulged to be criminally irresponsible, the court, in conformity with the provisions of this and preceding paragraph, shall commit him to the care or custody of his family, and who shall charge with his surveillance or education otherwise he shall be committed to the care of the same institution or person mentioned in Article 80. Number 4, any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, causes an injury or harm or accident, fault or intention of causing it, without fault or intention of causing it. Number 5, any person who acts under the compulsion of irresistible force. Number 6, any person who acts under the impulse of uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. Number 7, any person who fails to perform an act required by law when prevented with some lawful insuperable cause.